Alright, y'all, wish me luck. First time shooting the hinge. D-Dog limit bar here. I let him take my knock two at home and shoot it, so I ain't never shot a hinge before, so I punched myself in the face. Y'all got my permission to laugh, so I got old practice arrow on there in case I launch it into outer space. So here goes nothing. 20 yards. Shoot, that wasn't too bad. I didn't punch myself in the face, so we all good there. I know what it did. It made my draw, my anchor point really short, because I don't know, that was weird. Pretty cool though. I could shoot that jiffy. That's pretty slick. Original UV Hinge. Appreciate you, D-Dog. This was pretty cool, dude. Definitely got to draw it different. Oh my God, I think I could have flipped him. Better quit while I'm ahead. That thing's pretty slick. I like that. All right, I know I hit something because I heard it. Oh my God. D-Dog. My man. Gave him a pierced ear. That was the third shot. Almost Robin Hooded them jokers. I might have to get me one of these hinges. I kind of like it. Boy. That was my first arrow. That was the second shot. That was the third shot. Bam. And Luke's standing right there, watching all the action. Future tenderloin in the freezer. Go on back in and get you some more corn, girl. I got something for you. This what you're gonna look like in about a month and a half. We'll have a big old hole in your side.